Convener of Native Peoples Committee Manipur, Ashang Kasar, has asserted that Manipur can retain peace only when the Manipur government reign in the Kuki community. Ashang Kasar was speaking on the sideline of a sit-in which was organized to demand NRC update before census in the state. Speaking further on the sideline of the sit-in, which was held at the World United Youths Club ground in Angomlekai, Ashang Kasar alleged that the Kuki community has been creating problems for indigenous communities in Manipur, and therefore peace can return to the state only when government restrained the Kuki community. Ashang Kasar added that innocent lives have been lost even today as a result of violent aggression by armed Kuki groups. He also asserted that Kukis are responsible for all unrest situation in the state.
Kuki ki khun macha ma moi masing na mai thadoi adu ga taisalaga lengmei gi khuna ma topak haiba khunda mai thado pire adu ngasi lanka dai te tor mi ma sire kana ne te tori ba oje naga na Kuki dai te tobra oje mai te na Kuki dai te tobra adu di kana na hauge adu peace sai na han kampopi da welcome tobu sai ngasi di lanka gi khun dai te tore adu अखोई पीस पुरक से आरदी कुकी सिंजा ना फजन बियो कुकी सिंजा ना कंट्रोल तो बियो मैते दा नागा दा प्रॉब्लम लेते असे नागा ना कुकी हम हो ना खुद चंगलगा लान तौरुब लेते मैते नसु लेतरी जोम ना सिस्टम दा एक दा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन दा डेमोक्रेटिकली चसे हाइबने मसी यंगो सरकार ना नाहन पीस की तमग हाइना कंपोपी दा चले अदे मतुंग दा यूएनसी दा वारी सारे नत्रा स्नापति दा Home Minister Kovindas na litanda chale hai isi na kri dama Kuki na lanka da lan tauriba adu di lo thukai bu kanano peace pam da du kanano se Kuki ne